Hi, my name is Tom, and I want to show you what my wife got me for my birthday. They are 3 gorillas. It is Hear No Evil, See No Evil, and Speak No Evil. And I'll zoom in so you can see them a little closer. They are incredibly detailed. Here they are. They look really, really cool. They look like they are metal, but they're not. They're kind of a resin. They're very shiny. They're very detailed, as you can see. They just look great. They're not all that heavy. They're a little less than a pound a piece, but they are a great gift. They make for great decor. I love them. You can call this guy a silverback gorilla. And there we go. Speak No Evil. I really like these guys. We've actually been moving them around a little bit. Right now they are kind of sitting in front of our TV on our TV stand. We might go put them on a bookcase. We might just move them around. I'm actually thinking about getting little hats or little clothing to go ahead and decorate them and give them some little seasonal clothes. I love them.